Cities and rivers will always be connected. Rivers first provided water and food, then transportation and power for industry. If you explore any city and you wonder, why did this city develop here? The answer is often because of the river. We've reaped great benefits from our rivers, but we haven't always shown our appreciation. Fortunately, there are some positive signs that our relationship with our rivers is improving. Many communities are recognizing the value of restoring the resource on which they were founded. And their efforts are being rewarded with economic, ecological, and social benefits, making their communities better places to live. Restoring these waterways often begins with addressing stormwater and its path to the river. At the Run Greenway in Cincinnati, Ohio, a diverse palette of landscape practices known as green infrastructure is being put in place to reduce pollution in Mill Creek, which empties into the Ohio River.
We've got areas where there's bioretention basins that are taking stormwater right off of parking lots. There are small cells along the road here on Queen City Road that have bioretention cells in each, so they take stormwater right into those. There are under drains then that come over from those and lead into the stream behind me. So there's plantings in each of those specific to taking that directly off of paved areas. And then we've got plantings along the stream. A variety of different plantings that take more or less water depending on kind of elevation relative to stream level. We've also got plantings that will be on the pond on the upper end and lower end that are be surrounding the ponds that will also provide habitat and water quality. At the end of 2020, we will have installed about 80,000 plugs total along the whole project, and by the end of the project next spring, summer, it'll be about 92,000 plugs that have been installed in total.
These native plants allow the stormwater to infiltrate the soil, keeping the water out of overburdened sewage systems, and keeping the combined sewage from overflowing into rivers. Many cities face federal mandates to reduce this combined sewage overflow. By using these green infrastructure strategies, some cities have saved millions of dollars compared with the cost of traditional gray infrastructure practices. For waterways that have been channelized, like the Kinnickinnic River in Milwaukee, restoration may also involve the creation of natural streambanks, vegetated with native plants that help control erosion. In the past, stormwater once rushed dangerously through these channels, but now it meanders along an inviting trail, creating wildlife habitat and serving as a scenic backdrop for a variety of recreational opportunities. Other river restorations may utilize submerged aquatic vegetation, planted directly into the river, creating habitat for fish and other aquatic life. Each river and its watershed is different and requires a customized approach. Experienced restoration specialists, like those at Cardno, are able to develop the right strategy to help restore rivers and make them the centerpiece of the community. Once restored, these rivers and the land through which they flow can become attractive places to play, to work, and to grow a community.